Stop spending entire days wrestling with design software or waiting weeks for a simple brochure. I'm about to show you how to get a professional marketing materials perfectly branded in literally minutes and not hours. This changes everything for small business owners who just need to move fast. The thing is, many business owners that I talk to are stuck. They either spend precious hours they don't have trying to make things look good with complicated software, or they fork out a lot of money to designers for every little thing. It's a constant battle and it slows down your marketing. If we haven't met before, I'm Brandon Hurst and I set up online systems to help businesses get more customers and increase their profits. And today, we're going to fix that design bottleneck. Yesterday, that might have meant opening up clunky software, finding templates, tweaking colors, and hoping that it looked okay. And that probably ate up a lot of your hours. Or maybe you emailed the designer and had to wait for it. Well, that's the old way. Now picture this. You type in what you need, click a few buttons, and in minutes, a stunning on-brand graphic is ready. And that's the power of AI design automation. These new tools are like having a super fast, super talented designer on your team 24/7, but for a fraction of the cost and sometimes even free. Now keep in mind, this is going to help you with most of your everyday needs, but it's still good to have a designer you can go to for some of those larger projects. And you might be thinking, can AI really make something that looks professional and matches my brand? Well, the answer is yes, and I'll show you how in just a moment. So what can these AI tools actually do for your business? It's more than just pretty pictures. Let's break down some of the key features that will save you a ton of time, making your marketing look top notch. First, we have brand consistent graphics. You tell AI your brand colors, upload your logo, and choose your fonts. And then from then, everything it creates matches your brand perfectly. No more guessing if it's actually the right blue. Next, we have instant social media content. This part is huge. You create one design and the AI can instantly resize and reformat it for Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, you name it. And what used to take an hour per platform now takes seconds. Then there are professional presentations. You need a sales deck or a webinar slideshow? Well, AI can generate beautifully designed branded slides. You just need to add your content. You'll look polished without spending hours on the formatting. Also think about marketing collateral like brochures, flyers, or business cards. AI tools have templates that you can customize in minutes and already set up with professional layouts. And then we have email templates. AI can help you create a mobile optimized branded email template that looks great on any device. This means your emails get noticed and look professional. Well, some tools offer product mockups, like placing your product image in realistic settings or adding it to a t-shirt, a mug, or a book cover, making them instantly more appealing. And here's something really exciting: basic video content. Some AI tools can now automate the creation of short promotional videos and clips using images and text. This is perfect social media ads or quick announcements. The lesson here is AI design tools can take care of the time-sucking tasks. Instead of wrestling with 5 different software programs, you have one place that does it all quickly and professional. This then frees you up to actually market your business. So this all sounds great, but what does it look like in the real world? There's a ton of businesses out there that spend around 10 to 15 hours a week on design tasks or pay hundreds, sometimes even thousands each month for agencies for basic graphics. Think about that cost, either in your time or your money. Now by using AI design tools, these same businesses can cut down that time to just 1 to 2 hours per week. I mean, imagine getting back 10 hours or more every single week, or saving on that agency fee. That's a huge shift. And the thing is, when design is fast and easy, you can be more consistent with your marketing. You can test more ideas and you can react quickly to trends. The thing is, AI design automation doesn't just save time. It frees up resources that you can pour back into growing your business, like client outreach or strategy development. But here's what really matters. This isn't just about fancy tools. It's about what these tools allow you to do. They give you back your most valuable asset, which is your time. So are you starting to see how much time you could actually get back? You know, the old way of doing things, struggling with complex software or paying for hefty design fees for every little graphic, just isn't sustainable for most growing businesses. You are likely already facing that frustration of knowing that you need good design, but not having the hours or the budget to consistently get it. The thing is, you don't need to be a design expert anymore. You just need to know how to tell AI what you want. It's like switching from a horse to a car. Both get you there, but one is a whole lot faster and more efficient. Just start small. Just pick one AI design tool. Many have free trials, and try creating one social media post and see how quickly you can get a professional result. The time you invest in learning a simple AI tool will pay you back tenfold in the hours you save down the line. And think about this. What could you do with an extra 5, 10, or even 15 hours a week? If you're tired of marketing materials taking too long and costing too much, it's time to explore AI design. Remember how we talked about getting professional design in minutes and not hours? Well, that's not a far-off dream. It's available right now. The speed and consistency that AI offers can truly change how you run your business. You get to create more, test more, and ultimately grow more without design headaches.